my whole 34 years of police service, marami na rin kaming pinagdaanang samahan with our US counterparts.
Pero of course, you were hoping na hindi totoo yung balita. That's why you asked for a clarification, a confirmation from the US.
Yes, baka mamaya, chismis lang yun. Siguro natin na official talaga.
So, yung US Embassy yung sinulat?
Oh, US Embassy.
Sir, walang nilagay na rason, pero ang tingin nyo, it's because of the EJK issue. Tama ba?
When you were the chief.
Most likely. Most likely. I can only surmise up to that point.
Kailan kayo sumulat nga ulit, sir? Sorry. Kailan po kayo ulit sumulat?
Last year yung sinulat ko December din sumagot sila, dated ng December 27, na-receive ko dito January 20. Nag-receive ng office ko. Dated December 27.
So, saan ka na pupunta, sir?
Ha? China.
Sir, may coronavirus.
Russia. Saan tayo welcome? Saan tayo welcome?